Okay, today we're going to talk about generalizing, which is very useful when you are doing research because you will get a lot of information and sometimes you have to uh, kind of categorize it into maybe one general hypothesis. So we'll go into a little bit more detail. This will be the first of several lectures on this topic. All right, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, first of all, generalizations are made every day. Generalizing, we are generalizing if we conclude a claim about a group, the population, from a claim about some part of it, the sample. To generalize is to make an argument. Generalization, this may be the word used for the main claim or sometimes the entire argument. And so a lot of times when we're doing statistics, we will take a sample from a population and then based on that sample, we make a generalization about the entire population. So, for example, the statement, "I think I'll get a Sheltie dog." Everyone has said they are friendly and loyal. Okay, so that's a very broad generalization. Sheltie dogs, the person who has heard that everyone says they're friendly and loyal. So that's a generalization. Another generalization would be cats are always sleeping and meow when they want food. Cats must think they are royalty. If any of you are cat owners, I used to have a cat myself, and yes, they do sleep a lot. They do meow a lot when they want food, and maybe they think they're royalty. But so these are generalizations that we have uh, observed over time. All right, to evaluate whether a generalization is good, we need to see it as an argument. So strong arguments with plausible premises will likely be the best generalizations, but there will always be the possibility that there's an exception to a generalization. In simple words, things are rarely 100%. So when you're doing research, you will always have that outlier that is just different from the rest of the sample or different from the population. And so the generalization might be true for many, but maybe not true for all. All right, so let's see. Let's go through an example here. It says, in a study of 816 people who own sport utility vehicles in Seattle, Rigochi owners express the lowest satisfaction with their SUVs. So Rigochi owners are less satisfied with their cars than other SUV owners. Is this a generalization? Yes, it is. So based on this sample, we are saying that our conclusion is saying that Rigochi owners, and I'm not sure what a Rigochi is, but that doesn't matter. Rigochi owners are less satisfied with their cars than other SUV owners. So yes, it is a generalization. If so, what is the sample? Well, the sample is 816 people. Okay, so we took a sample of 816 people, and the population is all of the Rigochi owners in Seattle. Or actually, I'm sorry, uh, all of the SUV owners in Seattle. That is the population. So SUV owners. Yep, SUV owners in Seattle. Okay, that is our population. The sample is 816. All right, let's go to the next example. All right, so example 2. You go to the city meeting with a petition signed by all the people who live on your block requesting that a street light be put there. Addressing the city council, you say, everyone on this block wants a street light here. Is this a generalization? Yes, it would be. So yes, again, yes. If so, what is the sample? The sample is everyone that signed your petition. And that would be all the people who live on your block since they all signed it. So everyone, whoops, everyone on the block. That signed petition. Excuse my handwriting. All right, and what is the population? Well, the population is everyone on the block. So basically, it's the same thing in this case. Um, if by chance, let's say you have 50 people, and I'm just throwing out a number. Let's say you have 50 people on the block, but only 25 people signed the petition. Well, then that would be the sample. 25 is the sample, and 50 would be the entire population. But in this case, whatever their number, everyone on the block signed the petition, and what is the population? Everyone on the block. So in this case, the sample and the population are the same. All right, there will be more videos about generalizations as we start to get into discussing more about statistics and doing research, which will be very helpful in the future. So stay tuned. Thank you.